the Sailing Adventures with Island Girl. Well, it is quite a day here. We are skirting Cumberland Island right off the coast of Georgia right now, and it is quite a day. So we have gale force winds, high seas, and my friend Bill has dropped in to give me a hand because it is very tough trying to get through something like this by yourself. You have to have help anchoring, and navigating is always great, and bridge opening, and days like this. Yeah, as you can see. Again, there's the lighthouse at the end of Cumberland Island, and we got a ways to go today before we get to Jackal Island, but quite a bumpy day. We've been through skinny water, and at least the sun is out.